Welcome back to Monthly Maintenance. Well, today I wanted to show you fixing up. See this deal? It's got a bunch of stuff in between. The Q-tip probably could reach in between there. That would be good. I don't have a Q-tip with me though. I may be able to actually reach my rag and give that a shot. I'll try, right? Maybe, maybe not. What I'm going to do is take the rag. I can take it apart and I can show you that, but you know, I'm all about kind of not making things more difficult than they need to be, but I might be making them more difficult. So I'm going to take this deal and I'm just going to turn a little bit, take my rag, see if we can stretch it in between there. Alright, so that's not working out so well. So, let me show you taking this apart. Okay. What we gotta do is pull this down, gently pull it forward. It's a good idea to turn off the breaker or unplug the machine. Make it safer. We got both sides and now with the timer, what we got to do is pull up this side here. Here we go. Set that there for safety. And that'll allow us to pull it. Turn it off. So now that we've got that, we can separate the halves of this deal. And this should just push out from the plastic. There we go. Now we can clean it out. We don't always have to do it that extreme, but do today. Okay. It might be a good idea to rinse this under some water. Okay. Go ahead and rinse that under some water, wipe it all out, dry it all out, and then we can just take the two halves and squeeze them back together, put back together, and then take our handle and reinsert it thread. Okay. So now that that's done, we flip this back onto the post. And the post, you'll see, is kind of keyed, so it's got a wider slot, which is on this side. So you just got to line up the slots like that so it slips on nice and easy. If you don't line those slots up correctly, then it won't work out so well. Now we take the peg, okay, holding the front button, squeeze the peg back in. There we go. Make sure it all operates well.
This one needs a bit deeper cleaning, but you get the idea.
Now we got to reinsert, take the other wheels back. So just fold this back up nice and gently. And then you got to pull these wheels down before pushing it back. Sometimes you have to kind of slide it over. Just depends. But take a pair of pliers, gently pull these down. Sometimes you have to slide one or the other over, but now our deal's all nice and clean. Much better.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.